A scientist dream. Once upon a time, there was a curious child named Susie. Susie loved asking questions and exploring the world around her. She dreamed of becoming a scientist one day. Every day, Susie would go on adventures in her backyard, collecting leaves, rocks, and bugs. She would examine them closely, using a magnifying glass. Susie was fascinated by how everything in nature worked. One sunny day, Susie discovered a bird's nest hidden in a tree. She carefully observed the eggs inside, wondering how they developed into baby birds. Susie's curiosity grew, and she knew she wanted to find answers. Susie started reading books about science, studying the different branches like biology, chemistry, and physics. She learned about experiments and how scientists made important discoveries. Susie knew that becoming a scientist meant asking questions and searching for answers. As Susie grew older, she conducted her own experiments. She mixed colors to create new ones, planted seeds to watch them grow, and even built simple machines using household objects. Susie loved the feeling of discovering something new. One day, Susie won a science fair at her school. Her experiment on how plants grow under different conditions amazed everyone. Susie's dream of becoming a scientist was becoming a reality. As a scientist, Susie continued to explore and make new discoveries. She studied plants, animals, and even outer space. Susie's experiments and research helped people understand the world better. Susie's dream as a scientist came true because she followed her curiosity and never stopped learning. Her story inspired children to embrace their love for science and explore the wonders of the world around them. Susie taught them that with a curious mind and a passion for discovery, they too could become scientists and make amazing contributions to the world.